Welcome everyone. This is our second session. So today we will discuss about this fourth topic: fiscal year variant, assign fiscal year variant with company code, field status variant, and assign field status group, group, and field status group with company code. So let's start. /n OB29. So OB29 is the T code to create our fiscal year variant. So press enter. So in fiscal year variant, so at first we have to discuss on fiscal year variant. So in fiscal year variant, there are two type of variants are there, V3 and K4. In SAP, there are V3 and K4, two type of fiscal year variant. So V3 is used for those fiscal year which is start from April and which is end in March, and K4 normally is a calendar year which is start from January and which is end in December. So now we create our own fiscal year variant. Actually in this company we maintain as a domestic fiscal year. We instead of the position of V3 we use the name E3, and the period also the same, April to March. So click on new entry, put fiscal year variant name April to March, SPEC, special period 4. So here mention the number of posting, period is 12 and special period posting is 4. So press enter. So click on save. Now select our fiscal year variant and click on period. So now we have to maintain our periods. So click on new entries. Here we mention our month, days, periods and year shifting. So at first we put the details in month column. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Days, we have to mention our days. So there are some mistake. 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now we mention the days in each and every month. So in January there are 31 days, February 28 days, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days and December 31 days. Now in this E3 we maintained our period from April. So April is 4 number of month. So this is the April. So we start our period from April. So in here we put period number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we use -1 for this January, February and March month, because we use this -1, this sign uh, use for year shifting purpose. So because if we started our financial year from 2022 April 2022 to March 2023. So this January, February and March, these 3 months has comes in a next year, so we use this minus sign. So in that case, the month which is comes from the next fiscal year, which is 2023 and 23, and we use -1, so it comes 2022. That's why we use minus sign concept, because SAP couldn't understand that the broken fiscal year concept. SAP only understand the calendar year, which is for this those business which use this broken fiscal year like April to March. In that case, there has two fiscal year has comes. So in that case, we have to consider one fiscal year as a financial year, and the month which is comes in a in the next fiscal year, we use this minus or plus sign for adjustment and to fetch those data from this fiscal year. So that's why this minus sign we use, and the other rows we put 0, because there is no need for any kind of adjustment. So press enter, click on save. So data was saved. So when we select this our field status variant E3 and click on period, so this configuration has shown. Back. Now we assign our fiscal year variant with our company code. So the T code is OB37. Click on position, put our fiscal year put our company code, which is ECC1, press enter, put our fiscal year variant, which is E3, press enter. So click on save. So data was saved. So in our company code ECC, we assign our fiscal year variant E3. Click on save. Back. Yes, it has shown that our fiscal year variant, which is assigned with our company code. So now we create our field status group. So T code is /NOBC4. So field status variant and field status group. So previously I wrote the right one, which is variant. So now we create the field status variant for our company code ECC1. So generally there are lots of variants here, so we select one standard variant 00001 and then click on copy. Here we put our fiscal field status variant. So here I put the same name as our company code and company, like ECC1, though this name has mentioned also in our company code and company. And here we change in the description of field status name. So ECC1 is a field status variant and field status for ECC1. This is the field status name. So press enter, copy all. So when we click on copy all, so all the field status group which is maintained in E0001, which we have copied, so those are fields are maintained in our mentioned fiscal year variant, which is ECC1. So click on write, click on save, and it's saved. Data was saved. And when we click on field status group, so those are the field status group which is maintained in our ECC1 field status variant. So press save and back. Now we assign our field status variant with our company code. So the T code is /n/obc5. So here we click on position, put our company code is CC1. So here we can find that our company code has shown, and we put our fiscal year field status variant here ECC1. Press enter, click on save. So our field status variant we assign with our company code. Data already saved. Back. So now those are things which I have created here. We can go with pathwise also. SPRO, SCP reference IMG, financial accounting new, financial accounting global setting, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. Click on position, put fiscal year variant which is E3. So this is our fiscal year variant. Select it and click on periods. So here it has shown that we already maintain our fiscal year configuration. So go back. Now select assign company code to fiscal year variant. Click on it, click on position, put company code which is ECC1, press enter. So it has shown that our company code ECC1 which is assigned with the fiscal year variant E3. So go back. So now select financial accounting new. Now you have to select financial accounting new. Previously you have selected financial accounting, now we have to select financial accounting new. So click on it, click on financial accounting global setting new, click on ledger. Here you can find fields. Click on fields, select define field status variant, click on it, click on position, put field status variant which is ECC1, same as company code and company. Select it, click on field status group. So here it has shown that those are the field status group which is maintained in this field status variant, which is ECC1. So go back. Now assign company code to field status variant, click on it, click on position, ECC1, put company code. So here we can find that our company code ECC1, which is assigned with our field status variant, which is same as company code name, which is ECC1. So go back.